Here I've got Huawei GX8, and let me show you how to activate magnification gestures on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and pick accessibility, it's under system, and then go to magnification gestures. They are right here. Just click on them, on this switcher, and now to activate this feature, just click here, and once it's active, you can zoom in and out by triple touching the screen. So as you can see, just triple touch it, and it's way bigger. This is how you can use it. And now we can disable it, but if it would be still active, we can go out. And for example, if you would like to zoom in, let me pick, for example, motion control and some content here, just tap. And here it is. So that would be all. Once magnification gestures are active, with triple tap you can zoom in the content, and then by triple tap you can zoom it off. So that will be all. So you can activate and use magnification gestures in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.